Happy Wednesday, friends. I am going to start showing you a product every Wednesday, how it works Wednesday, because Stampin' Up! Has the most amazing products and there's always so many functions to them. And it's surprising, and I never realize just how much something can do until I start learning and crafting with my friends or running across a video, and I'm just shocked all the time. It is just so cool. So the first thing I'm going to show you is these really cool blender pens. They are alcohol based. They have 2 tips on each side. And what I love about them is that they're fat. They're fat. A lot of their stuff is fat, which is great because I have arthritis and it helps. So I absolutely love that. So I also got these watercolor pencils. So I was intrigued because they were called watercolor pencils, and I got them, and then I started poking around and found out a couple ways to use them, and I was just so excited. So I wanted to start with the blender pens and the watercolor pencils first. So here you see that I have my little dragonflies out here, and I colored one. So something about me, I hate coloring. Hate it. Always hate it. I am a huge crafter and always have been, but I'm not all that patient. So, and I don't color well, and I don't color evenly either. So, and I have to do it slowly, and it's just a whole thing. It just makes me unhappy. So I really don't like coloring. Well, part of, these beautiful stamps, some of them you have to color. So I started finding all these new ways to fill in my stamps, and it's just been eye-opening. And now I'm happy to say I don't hate coloring anymore. So this first one here, I colored with the, don't make fun of my coloring, I know it sucks, just with the watercolor pencils, okay? Colored it in, super irritating, took forever, and it looks like hell. Down here, I'm coloring now, and I'm going to color just like I did the top one, and I'm going to use the blender pen. I want to show you the difference. The blender pen is magic. Absolute magic. So I love all the detail from the stamps. I mean, the wings are so pretty. And look at this. It's got all the lines, just like a dragonfly. So detailed. Also, something you need to know is that if you're coloring, if you're going to color your stamps, after you're making your picture, you're going to color your stamps, make sure and use the Stays On stamps. Don't use the regular Stampin' Up! Stamps. Use the Stays On stamps from Stampin' Up! Because it's permanent ink and you won't smear. So I made that mistake and made a lot of stamps. Oh God, I ruined it. It was horrible. So here I'm coloring this yellow, and I'm gonna color this dragonfly in with the blender pen. And it's just like a regular tip, and it's alcohol based, and I'm just gonna lightly color over this. It's amazing. And then if you don't want to get your colors mixed up, literally just go like this until you don't see any more color. See? By here, you don't see any more color. So now I can go and do my blue. And I'm going to slowly just kind of fill it in right where I colored, where my horrible coloring is. I already did this wing. Okay, now look at the difference. There. Now it's ready for the next use. But look at the difference between the bottom and the top. It fills it in. It makes it look like it's watercolored. It is magic. So I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful, beautiful blender pen and the colored pencils that go with it. And welcome to How It Works Wednesday. See you next week.